All right, so for procedure B, the effervescent tablets, so either Alka-Seltzer, multivitamins, or rehydration tablets, water, and then you'll also need a kitchen scale to complete this part. So I had tried this earlier with 100 milliliters of water, and it ended up being too much water and bubbled over. So what we're going to do is we're going to try it with about a quarter cup of water, so approximately 60 milliliters or so. Okay, you're going to need 2 tablets. Whoops, that's too many. For part 1, and then 2 tablets again for part 2. Whatever amount of water you use in your container, just make sure that you use the same amount of water in part 2 when you do the closed system. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to weigh the mass of our initial reactants, or our initial mass. Okay, and you can see here that the mass is 106 grams. So what we'll do is we'll do the reaction off of the scale, just in case it does happen to bubble over. And this is going to be an open system. So we're going to put both tablets in. You can also do this with 1 tablet, depending on how many you have. So you could do 1 tablet with the water at the beginning and 1 tablet with the water for part 2. Okay? And hopefully this doesn't bubble over this time. So once it's done reacting, you're going to put it back on the scale for the final mass. You can see the formation of bubbles. You might be able to hear it as well. Okay, so now that the reaction is basically done, you can see we've got just a little bit more than the 60 milliliters we started with in terms of the volume. But what we need to do is we need to weigh the mass after. And what you'll notice is we have 105 grams. So make sure to record that in your data table and find the change of mass for procedure B part 1 open system.